Okay, here's a little pro tip for you. I love this one. I always say travel is everything, and today I'm going to prove it. This is a story that starts with a simple invitation from some local friends and ends with an unforgettable taste of Tuscany. This is so beautiful. In this three-part series, Sipping Through Tuscan History, we're going to drink wine at an ancient vineyard, uncover the past of these quirky holes in the wall, and wrap up the night rapping at a hidden bar you most definitely will not find in the guidebooks. I'm going to show you why it's not just about what's in the glass, it's the centuries of stories behind it. All right, I may be a luxury travel curator. I may have some of the best tour companies on speed dial. But what I'm about to do is an experience that you just can't book. We are about to go with our friends Andrea and Giulia to a 12th century farmhouse that has been turned into a winery for lunch in Chianti. Armed with bottled water and a little bit of a headache from last night's adventures in Rome. I was supposed to do like a little stand up here, but I'm wasted right now, so it sucks. But if you come to Rome, come here. We jumped into Andrea's car and headed for the hills. With its rustic farmhouses and rolling vineyards, Chianti looks like something out of a medieval fairy tale. But it wasn't always that way. For centuries, the area was in the crosshairs of crossfire between its powerful neighbors, Florence and Siena. Its castles and fortified hill towns built not for beauty, but for survival. Today, though, the only red being spilled is wine. So, this is my friend, Giulia.
Hello.
Giulia, tell us where we are, what we're seeing here.
We are in Chianti, Tuscany, and this is the main wine production area in Tuscany.
You have these beautiful little narrow roads up in the hills. Not the easiest if you've been drinking the night before and you're sitting in the back seat, like I just was. I'm looking right now, it's hard for you guys to tell, but I don't know if it's maybe an old monastery or maybe a castle. Actually, it's the ancient Abbey of Badia a Passignano, founded in 1049 by winemaking monks who helped put Chianti on the map as a world-class wine region. Exactly 976 years later, the vineyard and vast cellars below the abbey are owned by the 26th generation of the Antinori, a winemaking dynasty that's been going strong since the 1300s. I was just standing there talking. We're waiting for the winery to open up. And I was kind of looking over here. Look at this. So can I ask a stupid question? Does this have any significance?
Linked to religion, yes, but even to, I don't know, it's kind of superstition.
So you said, what did you just say about it? The devil and...
The devil is on the crossroads.
Yeah, and we're at the crossroads.
So you have to put a cross on it. You have to put God on it.
Oh, I love this. Julia is absolutely right. Back in the day, people believed crossroads were hotspots for wandering spirits or even the devil himself. Farmers, the church, local nobility, they'd put up these holy crosses with the family crest or stemma di famiglia so pilgrims and other travelers could pray and then move on in peace. Honey, I want to surprise you. I just bought this and it's our new house. We're not going to lunch. We're going into our new house.
Good luck with the mortgage.
Yeah. Welcome to Poggio al Sole. So was this, I wonder, was it just kind of abandoned and they bought it? Or, yeah, wow. Documents found over in the Abbey's archives show the estate's been producing wine and olive oil as early as the 12th century. So you walk in and then you just get this incredible scent. And they've got their herb garden here. So we'll be eating from this herb garden shortly. In addition to being a winery, it also is a little B&B. They've got some little apartments there. You can stay overnight, come for a wine tasting, or just pop in and grab some homemade olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and of course, wine. We, however, are grabbing lunch. Grazie.
We have a special menu for passport. Is this, and instead we have our regular menu.
Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.
I'm happy with you. I'm having the same.
The same. Okay.
Sì.
Un altro roulette di agnello.
Vorrei pappardelle al cingale. So tripa and lemprodotto are different.
Yeah.
Tripa is like the third stomach.
Why?
Perdocchio is the fourth.
Okay.
Prosciutto, salami, finocchiara.
Ooh, yes. This is a Tuscan feast. Look at this. Focaccia. With all that amazing stuff. Let me just. What are you doing?
I'm getting in the shot.
God, what's going on?
I can leave and hold.
No, I want you. No, I thought you were gonna sit here, but okay, that's fine. Oh my God. All right, so I don't even know.
how the shot goes.
I've had probably an entire bottle of wine because you guys were pretty good. I was drinking the whole thing. So if I'm babbling, it's not my fault. And if this doesn't look right, it's because we don't have a tripod. But here's the thing. So we met, it was either 2018 or 2019. We're not sure. We were at a bar, shocking, in Florence, and you were outside.
Yeah.
You guys started talking. This is your BMW.
Yeah, this is my BMW. Yeah.
Can you show us how?
Show how it works.
Show us how it works, please. You and your girlfriend drive this. Are you both have?
When I met my girlfriend, she doesn't have one motorcycle.
See, and she loved it.
So she tried one time, two time, three time. Then she said, "Okay, I have to buy a motorcycle."
What? Don't get any ideas, John. Not happening, buddy. That's good for her.
Yeah.
Good for her. I mean, she must be very cool.
Yeah.
Not like me. Really good meeting you.
It's really a pleasure to.
We're seeing you again.
Yeah.
He's like, who's our buddy?
Bye.
Say hi to America. Travel.
Elise.
Whatever. 7 years later, here we
We're
are
here.
again.
Yeah, again.
On Easter.
The third time we see each other in Italy.
Yes. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. but the thing that's so incredible is today is Easter.
Yeah.
Easter Sunday. It's a holiday that you would spend with your family or your close friends. Bless you. But we're here in Tuscany. This makes me want to cry. And it's not just the wine. No, honestly, thank you for having us. And
But thank you for coming.
Well, thank you.
Well, thank you.
This is a cool thing about traveling. When you open yourself up, you meet people, and we're going to be friends forever.
Why not? It's actually the first thing that I love of traveling. See people, talk to people, and maybe you will like these people.
A lot of Americans don't go to Europe because it's such a big idea to them. And they think people don't speak the language, we're going to be intimidated, we're not going to feel like we fit in. But the thing is, it's just you just have to open yourself up and go outside of the tourist zones and actually talk to the locals, and that's the way you really end up meeting people. It's amazing to have friends that will spend a day with us
Under the rain.
Under the rain. We're gonna wrap this up pretty quick.
No, here it comes.
Yeah, forget it. Just travel.
Go.
Okay,
More
well,
goes heavier.
what was the thing that we were talking about that I said we have to talk about
The
it now?
Tony?
The Tony, yes,
The
okay.
Tony.
The gold one.
Yes, okay, so
And
tell
they're
the
on the
story.
map.
Tell the
Oh, the
story.
gold
This is
one.
so
The
funny.
gold one.
Now?
Yeah.
After the Second World War, the American soldiers were coming to Italy with condoms, and on the condoms were Gold One brand. Translated the name in Goldone.
Goldone.
And since then, the condom is a Goldone.
And there are a lot more stories like that, but it's raining, so we're gonna go. Okay, Julia, why are we standing behind a big black, rooster?
Red circle with a black rooster. This is the sign that means Chianti Classico.
What's the difference between Chianti, and maybe they're not even comparable, but Chianti and Valdorcia?
Valdorcia is in the province of Siena.
Okay.
Chianti is mainly in the province of Firenze.
Oh, okay.
Are two different areas in terms of, of course, of geography, and even in terms of soil and climate. Here is more humid, and in the Siena area is more dry.
That's interesting. Why is that? I asked her and I'm like, she probably doesn't know this, but she does actually know this. After too much food and wine, it's time for more food and wine. But first we need to check into our new digs. Plaza Hotel Lucchesi was built in the mid-1800s on land that was once part of the city wall. It started off as a small guest house for the well-heeled, but thanks to its forward-thinking owners, cutting-edge tech like electric lights, a lift, and a telephone before anyone else, it quickly became the spot for travelers on the Grand Tour. Since then, it's hosted everyone from kings to Jedis. It's not a massive room. This is basically the entry-level room, but look at the view that we have here. So this is the River Arno. That's Piazzale Michelangelo. Now, if your room doesn't come with a view, no problem. Just take the historic lift to the rooftop bar, pool, and some of the most stunning views you'll ever see. As we made our way to dinner, I spotted one of these. Okay. Sorry, that was just a test. sorry. We're just doing a little test. Oh, can I videotape you?
That'll be $10 for me.
Really? Aw. Coming up in part 2 of my Sipping Through Tuscan History series, we'll find out the secrets behind one of Florence's most intriguing drinking rituals.